Hey, staff, just wanted to get a couple things out to you as quick as possible from the admin meeting yesterday. All classroom doors now have closers, door stops, break fire, or the doors actually stop fires from spreading. It's part of fire code, and we should never use door stops according to the fire marshal. So we're technically breaking the law when we're using door stops, so we need to make sure that we're not doing that. Also, if you put a wedge in the door frame, this picture right here, you can actually ruin the door hinges. And unfortunately, we're not able to replace those once they come off just because of the way that the doors are designed. They're also big and heavy doors, so please make sure you're not doing that. Next, each one of our rooms has an egress window in them now. Those egress windows are for emergency exits only and should not be opened at any time with the exception of trying to exit the building in an emergency situation. We know that sometimes our kids get a little stinky, but your vertical vents replace the air in your classroom every about 15 minutes. So that's actually faster than if you open the egress window and the door. So please make sure that you are not doing that. Also, the school district received a grant from the state of Michigan, or the Michigan State Police. As part of that, we will get some bollards as well as some additional fob entrances. Our bollards are going to be placed in places where we feel that the building is vulnerable to a car running into it. So that would kind of be down by where our third graders come into the building, down by the bus loop, as one example of that. We're also hoping that we'll get a couple additional spots for fobs as a result of this grant. What we're going to look for is down by the library, and then the door that the third and fourth graders currently enter into as well. And then also, if you utilize Remind, this is just a reminder, our district, we don't purchase it, it's free for us to use, but we have a great number of our teachers who utilize Remind. Just a reminder that if you use Remind, to make sure that you're utilizing that it's actually attached to your district email only. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, please feel free to see me. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.